everybody to the beautiful Castle of Illertissen, the most beautiful castle in all of Bavaria. Are you ready to go outside? Come on. That's the key challenge of leadership. It's being clear, making sure that in your communication you make it very clear of what you expect. If I have an experience, positive or negative, or I make a mistake, I can go on and not do anything about it, or I can actually reflect on it. Change behavior. Because then there will be new experiences, and then it starts all over again. That's how you learn to be a leader.
We find it important that there's diversity, to build diversity groups, to build some diversity teams, to be open-minded to technology and the change of the technology environment.
And then at a certain point in time, you need to actually change. And ideally, you do that before you hit the prime. Incompetent. That's a tough one. So how's a great leader?
The opposite.
Exactly the opposite, exactly.